Hey guys, Tranzo here, back with a brand new video on this channel. Today I'll be showing to you guys how you can make money during this lockdown period with just few simple tricks. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So guys, in this video I'm not selling you any course or any surveys. This is a legit way of making money with just few simple steps that you can do easily. You have to be a teenager or you can be an adult, or you should use your credit card or any PayPal account to get the payments. So guys, the first way to make money is to sell stock images or stock videos to websites like Shutterstock and n12.com. People buy the images and videos for their YouTube videos or any other work. This will help you generate income, as the same images can be purchased again and again by the people. You can just click a picture with your iPhone or any other phone, or click a video with different category. People will search for it and eventually will buy it. This will help you generate income. And let's get on to the second step. So guys, the second tip is to sell your talent on websites like Fiverr and many other websites. You can easily sell any talent of yours on Fiverr website. There are plenty of options available. If you don't have any talent like you know of, you can just do weird stuff. People pay to see weird stuff online, like people paying for Jesus to send their message. You can do something like that. This will also help you generate income. As you are in your home in this lockdown period, it will help you earn the extra income. So guys, my final tip is to become a social media influencer. Like, you don't have to do TikToks or anything. Just grow a page with high number of following. You can do what best you can do. Like, you can make meme pages, gaming clips, anything you can do. It will also help you to get brands for your promotion. This will help you generate income, as the brands now looking for more people to buy due to the lockdown period, as their production is on the verge of getting declined. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and see you in the next one.